Hey there guys, and today we're going to be talking about the Old Spice Refresh Body Spray. Now this is from Wild collection of Old Spice, and it is the Bear Glove fragrance. Bear Glove, yeah, you can tell because there's a bear on the front, you can see that, and it looks pretty wild, looks like a grizzly. Yeah. This is a nice fragrance. It goes on very light. It's you can smell a little fruit in there in the fragrance and a little musk. It's appealing. It's nice. Me personally, when I first got it, I bought this about 4 days ago, and I usually don't use Old Spice. This is like the first time I've used it as far as the body spray. And when I tried this particular fragrance, the first thing that came to mind was it smells a little bit old-fashioned, if you know what I mean. It just smells like something, say, your grandfather might wear, you know? I mean, it's not bad. It doesn't smell bad at all. That's the first thing that kind of came to mind when I smelled it. And that was kind of I don't want to say a turn off, but it just kind of put me in a weird mode about the fragrance itself. But it does smell good, and it's not real strong, and it's not real, what's the word? Like it's not real hard on the nose, you know? You don't hate it or can get tired of it. It's not like that. It's very light, and it smells very good, but it smells old-fashioned in my opinion. Like I said, it's from the Wild collection, and it is the Bear Glove fragrance. There's several different fragrances in the Wild collection that I would like to try just to see if they're different, because when I was younger, I used to use Old Spice as a aftershave, and that was many years ago. But I never used the body spray before until recently. And when I was like in college, which was about maybe 25 years ago, I tried the Old Spice soap that they had, and I liked that a lot. So that's why I was under the impression that I would like this one, you know, because I just wanted to try something new. And so I went and got this about 4 days ago, and that was the impression that I got. So hopefully I will be able to get through the bottle and and just finish it off, or I'll just put it away. It's a nice smelling cologne. It's just a little old-fashioned for me. It has a turning cap that locks. When it's like this, you can't use it, but when it is like this, it sprays. So that's a nice little feature. Yeah, and it goes on pretty light, not real heavy. So like if you spray a little, say on your hand, like that, it will, you know, get on there just like anything else, but it'll dry pretty fast. And it's not real alcohol-y, you know? It gets on there and it does the job, you know? And it's not real strong. So, like I said, it's just my opinion about the fragrance. A lot of people, I'm sure, would like that kind of, you know, old-fashioned smell. Maybe it's a masculine thing, but I don't know. But yeah, I like it. I like it as far as the actual smell itself, but I don't want to smell like an old person. So, God, it sounds so bad saying that, but no, it is what it is. But I would recommend this for, people say 40 and up, something like that. Other than that, it smells pretty good, and it comes in a candy red bottle that's very attractive. And like I said, it is from the Wild collection, and the one really good plus to this thing is that it lasts. It really lasts all day long. They are not lying when they say that. All day, all day. It really does. It does the job. If it's on you, you will smell it from the time you put it on till the time you take it off. Okay? So I halfway recommend it, but you know how I feel. Okay? Well, thank you for watching, and I hope you use this information. This is the Old Spice Refresh Body Spray, all day from the Wild collection, the Bear Glove fragrance. Okay? Hope you use the information. I'll talk to you later. All right. Bye-bye.